Malibu Creek, Los Angeles. Andreas is just working out the line.
Go there, and then make it southwest, Jackson, and just push it through.